Hi everybody, it's morning in the United States, and today is they are expecting a big snowstorm as of January 29, 2022. They're expecting the snow is gonna be around 3 to 6 feet, but so far not that bad. But at least it look like 1 feet, and it's gonna be go more. There's no snow on the trees, leaves, even a roof, but all over in the floor everywhere. If you see, that's a big job after it's finished. I have to clean this long driveway too, and hope everybody is okay, doing all right. And whoever watching this, enjoy the short view. All right.